Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to pass this door jump. First of all, I install one full board on front of the bathroom door. You see, I put this board a little bit in under the door jump and install small strip. This small strip exactly fit till the tiles in the bathroom. I wanna leave it. I don't wanna make a gap because it's helped me to keep this full board on front of the door, bathroom door, straight. Then when I finish installation, I can cut off this strip on front of the tile, make a gap for installation transition, or I can leave it these pieces and just glue the reducer directly to the tile. You see, when I have this full board, I have few options. Okay, let's go. I'll show you how to pre-cut the next piece and install it under the door jump. It's really tricky a little bit if you don't have any experience, but very simple. So I'm looking next line to make exactly parallel board, and then put another board on top of this second line. Now can I use some piece of waste to mark from the wall on this piece line. It's exactly what I have to cut off to fit this board under this door and make straight. You see, these small pieces of vinyl flooring have on the front lock. It's exactly quarter-inch what we need, to have a gap between walls and flooring. If you remember, for each floating floor, we have to keep gap for freely moving flooring. So this is exactly what we need. Now I have to transfer dimension of this door jump to the vinyl flooring, and there is, behind this door jump we have little bit part of wall. So how deep it should be? The dimension what we have to cut, it should be till the floor, from the floor edge to the end of the door jump, and just it should be not exactly to the end of the door jump, just quarter-inch gap for freely moving. Now I'm using table saw to cut the strip what we marked. If you don't have table saw, you can use jigsaw or any small saw what we have. You don't have to go around to follow this cut. Just flip the board, very easy. For cutting this profile under the door jump, I'm using jigsaw, and you see I'm doing always bevel on the edges. It's helped me when I slide the this board under the door jump and then install casing around the door. It's avoid any little gaps, sometimes it's happened. But if you make this rounded profile, you will be safe. Now we're removing the second line board and sliding pre-cutted board under the door jump. Don't rush. Vinyl locks is really easy to break. You see, I pushed this board too far, and I'm using pull bar to move it back to make these two boards locks flush, I'm just using, you see, this piece of scrap. Just make connection together and use toolbar to pull. That's it. Now these locks need to be heated down. I'm using this little scrap. Don't hit the vinyl flooring directly. Just put something on top, or use a rubber mallet. Just undercutting a little bit drywall to make more gap. It will be covered with spacebar. That's it. Easy. Now we can follow installation.